Okay, I'm back here. I'm gonna give you guys some reason for you guys do this cornbread. First of all, you don't have to make a lot of mess in your kitchen. Second, you just put everything in the blender, mix it, put it in the pan, put it in the oven. After that, it's gonna be eating delicious Brazilian cornbread. You're gonna use egg, flour, sugar, milk, Parmesan cheese, and the cornmeal. So easy. Let's start right now. I wanna give you guys recipe right now. Okay, I wanna give you guys some idea. Everything you're gonna put in the blender, first of all, we have to put the liquid first. That's how I'm gonna start right now. A cup of oil. After this will come a cup of milk. Come with the 3 eggs. Sometimes you can do the eggs here first because sometimes the eggs come older. You're gonna lose your recipe. You can break the eggs here. The eggs is good, just dump in here. Okay, let's go start right now. You have your blender ready. You just put the oil, egg, milk, liquid first, anytime, liquid first. After that, when I start with the dry stuff, you can put a sugar, a cup of sugar, 1 cup of cornmeal, just dump here, and a half a cup of flour. Okay, now we're gonna put in the flour, half a cup of flour. Come with the Parmesan cheese, you can put a couple ones, you don't have any amount, you can put whatever you want. If you have a lot, put a lot. If you have a little, just to give a flavor. I put like half a cup, okay? And then you blend this like for 3 or 4 minutes. That you have to do. You take your pan. If you have a spray, just spray some oil. I don't have a spray right now. I use some paper towel. Dump the oil. Like do this in the pan. See? Everywhere. In the middle too. All the way in the side. We a lot. And you know why? Because you don't wanna your cornmeal stuck in the pan after wetting. After you do this, you just have to take a little bit of flour or cornmeal, anything you want. I like to use a wheat flour. See? You put some wheat flour. I wanna shake it, shake your body, shake your body. Put this wheat flour go everywhere here in the pan. Let's make your cake, your cornbread, not stuck in the pan after wetting. See? I just want to put a little bit in the middle too, because I don't want the cake stuck in there. The last step about the cornmeal, the Brazilian cornbread, the Brazilian cornbread, you take some baking powder, 1 spoon, soup spoon, okay? You don't have to blend again. You just have to mix it with your spoon like this. Mix, 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 mix. That's so easy. Mix, 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 mix. Make sure you put the bottom, the top, and the bottom. Keep it mix. And then you come a little salt now. And people ask, why salt? It's for you don't lose any flavor. That's why I like to put a little salt. That's it. Mix one more time. Now you dump in your pan. I'm gonna put a little high here, maybe you guys can see. No, it's gonna be like this. It's ready. See? Perfect time. Like take it 30-35 minutes to be ready. I come back to show you guys. Hey, now is the time to say thanks for the guys supporting me here to make this first video for you guys. Hey, 2 by Drinks event. That's the company supporting me today. I want to leave here somewhere in the video the information for this company. If you have a party, if you want to make some party, if you look some bartender, please don't lose the time. Call for these ladies. She's amazing. Her name is Adriana. She's the owner. You're gonna love it. She's work very, very good. 2 by Drink event. Don't forget the name. The second, I want to say thanks for Gabriel. The Gabriel, he's working with me to take care of everything for this thing, like to make everything. He make more than me. Him is the best. Gabriel. I wanna leave his name here and the phone number too. If you wanna do something for your website, for your YouTube, anything, don't lose the time. Call him too. Gabriel. That's the name. Did you hear? Did you hear? That's the time. The cake is ready. Cornbread. Brazil you can say cake, but here I know you say cornbread or cornmeal, corn anything. I want to take and show you guys how it look like. Look that. Look that. You guys, you can feel the smell. It's amazing. I just want to wait it to be little, because it's so hot I can't take it off the pan right now. And I show you guys how this look like. I know you guys can feel the flavor, but I want to try and let you guys know. Now I'm gonna make some good coffee because I take my corn bread with coffee. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how the corn bread look like, okay? Okay guys, thank you. I'll be back soon.